Hello! For the past couple of days, I've been testing Google AI and its functionalities through Gemini Canvas or Google AI Studio. And oh my god, I am absolutely amazed by its capability. In the previous videos, I've showed you kind of the step-by-step how to generate some sorts of applications based on the clickables aspects. And just so you know, Google AI is enhancing options, so there is so much you can do with it these days. What I wanted to show you today is the application I've created earlier today. Literally, it took me 2, maybe 3 hours to generate. And I'm sharing this because in the era of AI, I wanted to show you that you don't need to be technical to create amazing applications, content, any sorts of things that can help you in your day-to-day life or work. Before I go any further, I am not technical, not at all. With these tools that I'm showing you today from Gemini, it's a matter of simply going through prompt engineering, asking the questions, adding details, expanding, going further. AI analyzes, updates, gives feedback, and then works with you to update the application based on your feedback. It's pretty amazing. So what I've built today, it's very simple AI content generator. What was important for me is the ability to switch between languages. Sometimes I may need to generate something Polish, English, or even German, you never know. So the application that I've created allows me to either add the source materials that I want AI to work with for the actual content creation. You can add your keywords, what the system should concentrate on, decide on the writing style. Of course, any of this can be updated. It's just the application that I quickly developed. The size, any additional information you want, you can ask for the suggested titles for your blog article, so the system can tell you some of the options. Okay, so here are some that you may decide to go. You can also ask for online sources. If you're not sure what other options are available, AI will do the research for you. And for this example, we want AI, based on what you provide, to generate any sorts of prompts that you can then use to develop your article. And it's a simple matter of either copying, then you can just go to any other application that you normally would work with, ChatGPT, Gemini Cloud, anything else, or you can ask the system to automatically generate the article inside the application. So very simple. Let's see how it will go. It may take a couple of minutes. Okay, so will AI take your job? Nice and easy. It kind of goes into the details. It's short based on my selection, so nothing crazy. So we can of course make changes if there is anything we would like to update. In here, just make it more simple. You can approve article if you're satisfied with what was written. Let's try to regenerate and see what AI will do for us. Depending on the length of the article, it may take a few seconds, it may take a bit longer. Sometimes errors may appear as well. It's just a matter of going back, trying to update. But it's still so much quicker that we would ever need to do it manually. AI will regenerate the article, and once again you can add additional feedback for changes. You can start over, or you can just approve. So it's done, ready. Notice you cannot carry on with any additional updates, but you can copy, paste, and utilize it on any of your systems, websites where you would normally share your article. Hope you enjoyed it. And just a reminder, it's just an example of application. If you would like to learn more about the actual specifics, send me a message and I'll be happy to jump on a call, help you with any additional questions you may have. But most importantly, try, test, change, update, and just see what AI can do for you. And it's pretty amazing. So good luck!